What's the meaning of apostrophe? Apostrophe. Apostrophe.
Apostrophe. Apostrophe. An apostrophe is a punctuation mark that is used to indicate possession or the omission of letters in a contraction. In possessive nouns, it indicates that something belongs to or is associated with someone or something else. In contractions, it is used to indicate that letters have been removed to form a shorter word. For example, Mary's book indicates that the book belongs to Mary, while don't is a contraction of do not. The use of apostrophes can clarify meaning and make writing more concise.